Today I will make peach mango salad. Enjoy watching! First we need 3 pieces grated young buko. Three pieces red Washington apples. 1 can Del Monte fruit cocktail. 1 small Eden cheese chopped. 1 bottle white nata de coco. 1 pack 150 grams raisins. 3 very ripe mangoes. 1 can sliced peaches. 2 cans Milkmaid condensed milk. 2 cans Nestle cream. If you are still watching the video, it seems that you are loving our video. Mix well. Please leave a comment. Where are you from so I can personally say hello to you. Try this recipe at home. I'm sure your family would love it. Let me know in the comment what you think of this recipe. This recipe tastes delicious. Now I'm going to see your comments and thank everyone. And here is our peach mango salad. Hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to comment so I can thank everyone who watched. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Please subscribe to our channel. Even if you don't feel like doing it, just get that done. You will be the first millionaire in your family. Type yes if you believe. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value.